Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an easy jack-o'-lantern. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our jack-o'-lantern, let's begin with a sad face right here on our paper. We're going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and then down in our little sad face. Starting here, we're going to go up, and then we're going to go down, and we're going to bring it down here. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to come up, and we're going to come down. Next, we're going to continue this line, and we're going to curve it in. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring this line down, and then we're going to curve it in. Now we're going to start right here, and we're going to make a big smiley face. We're just going to go down and then up. So we're going to start here. We're just going to come down and then up. And go ahead and connect these little lines right here to your smiley face. Now, starting up here, we're going to make the stem. So we want to start right about here. We're just going to go up with a little curve. And we're going to do the same thing here. Just come up, and we're just going to curve it. Next, just draw a line right here to connect it. And I like to go ahead and draw a little curve right here, just to show where the stem was cut off. Now there are so many different types of faces you can make for your jack-o'-lantern, but we're just going to go ahead and make a simple one right here. So we're going to start by making a triangle shape here. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to come down. We'll do the same thing. Let's kind of line it up, and we're going to go up and down in our triangle shape. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes across, and we'll do the same thing here. Just make a line that comes right across for the bottom of the eye. Inside of here, we're going to go and draw a little line here, and then we'll draw another little line right here just to show the side of our eye. Now, right here, we're going to make the nose. So we're just going to make a small triangle right in the middle. So let's make a line that's going to come up and down, and a little line across for the nose. Now we're going to give our jack-o'-lantern a big mouth, and we're going to make some sharp teeth in here. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle, and then we're going to go up. We're going to go down and up again. We're going to go down and up, down and up, and then we're going to go down and then up here for the mouth. So you can see we have 5 little points, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now starting here, we're going to come down, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. We're just going to curve this line down for the sides of the mouth. And then we're going to make the teeth down here. And this time we're only going to put 4. So we're going to go up and down, up and down. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down right here. Now, what I like to do is starting here, I like to make a little line that comes down, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We'll add that little line right over here for the side of the mouth of our pumpkin. And then we're going to do that same thing on some of these teeth. So watch this. We're going to draw a little line that goes over and up. And we'll do it on this one as well. We're going to go over and then bring it up. We'll do it here too. We're going to go over and up, and then over and up. But we're not going to do it on that middle one. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go over, and this time we're going to go down. And same thing here. We're going to go over and down. Now, right here, in this middle one right here, what we're going to do is we're going to make a tiny line that goes up And then this time we're going to go over and we're going to come right to that line. Same thing here, we're going to go over and then down. And then this is your basic jack-o'-lantern. You can always come in here and add a couple little details, like I might add a few little lines on the stem. You can always add some extra things around here, but I'm just going to keep this simple. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.